Okay, hi guys. So we're gonna play the Chakravyuh today. It's gonna be a trivia game which has 4 levels. But before that, can you guys introduce yourselves? Just one line about yourselves.
Hi, my name is PNG and I like custard apple.
Sinchana, and I like cats.
Hi guys, I'm Meghna and I'm the reason you are watching this video.
My name is Rasya and I like Sitafal.
Deepak, and I like trekking.
I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no
Okay.
Good observer.
So coming to
I
the
don't
rules.
like editing this video, bro.
Okay, so
Is that
this
cheating?
is the board. Okay, this is the board. The rules one by one I'll start explaining. So there are 4 levels in the game, starting from outermost level, which is level 1, and you'll be moving inwards. And as the levels increase, your difficulty will increase. In each turn, there will be a spinner. So we don't have a dice, we have a spinner, little fancy. And that will determine how many steps you can move in either of the directions. So you will start from these black tiles, and based on the number that you get, at every point of time, you can go either left or right. That is your wish. So here, each tile, you see that it has a number on it. Each number corresponds to one topic. So once you land on the tile, I'll ask you a question of that topic. You need to, if you answer 2 questions consecutively wrong, then your next turn will be skipped. And for each correct answer, you will earn some amount of points. That points will depend on which level you are in. Also, so I had asked you guys to pick a topic from some 9 or 10 topics that were there. So if you answer correctly a question of your topic, you will get an extra turn. That is the bonus. But if you answer it wrong, you will get negative points. So how many ever positive points you were supposed to get for that question, that will be negated. Now coming to the promotion. So once you're in a level, to get promoted, there are 2 requirements. First is, in each level, there are minimum questions that you need to get right. And these questions have to be from different topics. So for example, in this level 1, you need to get 3 questions right from 3 different topics. So that is the first requirement. Second is, after getting those questions right, you can either land on one of the black tiles, or there is a maximum number of questions also. If you answer those many questions, automatically you get promoted. But the advantage of this black tile is that on landing here, you can either promote yourself. That is, from here, you can get promoted to the second level, or you can demote a person who is in your level or the level above you. So in level 1, you can't demote anyone from level 1, but from level 2 onwards, you can demote from level 2 or from level 3. So from level 1, you can demote from level 2. That is the way. Also, on getting demoted, if you have already answered the maximum number of questions for that level, on a correct answer, you will not be receiving extra points. You will be given an extra turn. So each level has a certain number of questions for each topic. If those questions get over, then you will have to answer questions from other topics to move forward. Now this table will show everything. So in level 1, minimum questions that you need to get right are 3. For each question, you get 10 points. Maximum allowable is 6 questions here. So either after 3 questions right, you can move on to the black tile and just go ahead. Or if you're not able to land on the black tile by your luck, if you have answered 6 questions correctly, you can move forward. Now, the thing that I told about unique topics, that should be only for these minimum numbers. So 3 questions at least from 3 different topics. 4th, 5th, 6th can be from any topic. That does not matter. And the time also varies from each level, 20, 30. Sorry, this is also 30, level 3. And the last is 60 seconds. Minimum and maximum points, this I will just give you once you answer the question, right? But based on these points, you will get that. There are specific different rules for level 4. First is this level is safe from demotion. So once you reach level 4, no one can demote you. Second is that here questions from all the topics will be asked. You will have to go in order. So if your topic chosen was say level 2, second topic is the topic that you have chosen. Once you get promoted from level 3, you will start from the level 2 tile and you will have to answer each question correctly. Again, here also 2 incorrect questions will result in your turn being skipped next time. So here the thing is that for each topic, maximum 2 questions can be asked. So imagine that you answer both questions right, your next turn will be skipped, but you will move along one tile. This again, it does not matter for you to remember. It is just that I will, when you're playing itself, I will show that. And the last rule is that you get 60 seconds to answer that question in level 4. But if you answer it in 30 seconds, you will get 1 extra turn. The first person to finish all those 5 questions in level 4 will win, and that person will get money corresponding to the points they have collected. And only that person will win, no one else. Any doubts?
Can you go on to the previous slide?
Has the
Level of difficulty will be.
Yeah, difficulty is different, so you can't use those questions, right?
And no need to clap, guys.
Can you
Okay,
promote
cool.
my also?
Rules are done.
First is science, second is
Second is
Sports.
sports. Third is
Okay.
movies. Fourth is geography. And fifth is
Religion.
religion.
okay.
Okay, so
Nobody
Yeah.
expected me to pick that, no?
yeah, everyone was like, oh, who will pick this? Why have you kept it? And then you finally ended up picking that.
Well, it's so interesting, like mythology and stuff. Hopefully the questions are.
If we ask some
I'm just saying I won't be able to answer. I didn't think-
We know Meghna is a right-wing politician, so please.
Oh my God!
I have
Please
been
cut
inclusive
this.
of everything.
Please
Edited
keep
out.
keeping PC.
Fatwa has already been issued.
My channel shows the truth. That's it.
He'll stream it
Raw
now, live
form.
stream.
Oh yeah,
2
and
hours.
so the outer level has this spinner, okay, where 6 is the maximum. Inner level has 4 as maximum.
What
Okay,
does that mean?
Yeah.
what does that mean? You can get maximum number 6 from the spinner here for the outer level.
Oh, yeah, okay, got it.
Oh,
Got it.
okay. That's the dice basically. No?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's spinner. You have to. Everything is circle.
What
circle
is
the
6?
thing.
6 is black.
No,
Hey,
it
wait,
depends
wait.
on where you are.
I think you'll take longer to understand the game. You just go ahead. Okay, so your turn is first. So I'll only have to spin.
It
for
should be
everyone.
last. Oh,
Hey,
God.
shut up, day.
Listen, 1 second.
No, 1 second. All 3. Which side do you want to go? Left or right? Left side.
I'm red.
Yeah, you're red. So you
Yeah,
can either go here 2, which is sports, or you can go
Or
here 5,
religion.
which is religion. Your wish.
Controversy, she goes to 5.
Tell fast. Hey, don't take so much time in choosing. yourself.
Religion. I said
Religion,
religion.
Okay.
Oh, I'm getting so nervous. Oh, God.
Okay, it's starting. 20 seconds. What is the annual pilgrimage made by Muslims to the holy city of Mecca called? There are no options. Please go ahead and tell.
Pilgrimage made by. I-
Guess something.
Name of the place. What is it?
Annual pilgrimage. What is the pilgrimage called? Place already I've told Mecca. They're going to Mecca. What more place you will tell? Anyway,
Exact
time
location.
is up. Don't act like you're thinking and
What is the answer, bro, DPK?
No, I don't know.
Does anyone else know the answer?
I know.
I know, I know.
Tell.
Hajj.
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 Yeah.
I told first. Do I get points for
I
that?
don't know.
No, you won't get
migrated
anything.
because I knew the answer.
Get lost. We should get points for answering other people's questions.
Sorry, not happening.
Bro, I
Pratnya,
am
can you
next.
mark minus
next
one
up,
for Meghna?
Yes.
You get minus for not answering also.
No,
You didn't
no,
tell
no,
us
these
this
points-
negative marking.
No, points are not getting negated. It is just that if you answer 2 questions incorrectly, I mean, if you don't answer twice, then your next one will be skipped.
Acha.
That is why minus 1.
Mhm.
Okay, so you still have moved here. Okay, next PNG. Okay, PNG has gotten 4. Which side do you want to go?
4. It's science or geography, yeah? Science.
4 is 4.
Oh, I'm this.
4th is geography, or 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is movies.
Movies, dude.
Movies.
What geography do I know?
You'll still have to answer, right? I mean, you need
Yeah.
3 topics.
Let's hope it's all about Salman Khan.
Surely. Here we go. 20 seconds. What is the name of the skyscraper in Die Hard?
Empire
your
State
options.
Building.
That is not
Huh?
an option. In Die Hard 1. What is the name of the skyscraper? Fast. 7.
I have no clue. C. Option C.
That is incorrect. Correct answer is Nakatomi Building.
How will I know?
Have you not
Level
watched Die Hard 1?
1.
No.
You have not watched Die
Level
Hard?
So
What?
hard. Dad.
What? Die Hard you have not watched?
Do the other people know? You guys know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
of course we know about Nakatomi buildings. Come on.
My first thought was Empire State Building because King Kong. I just think okay.
Wow.
Good answer. Good
It
answer.
was not even in US. Oh, God. Okay.
Nakatomi.
Next is Sanchana. Pragna, have you marked -1 for him?
Yes, Preet.
Let's let this one slide.
Okay. 1. So it is either, what is this? Science
Science or
or
geography.
Sanchana.
Oh, science, I guess.
Science.
Yeah.
Okay. I think science you
Organic.
guys should be able to answer. I hope so.
Organic chemistry is coming up now.
No, it's not that tough. Don't worry.
What? How can you keep Nagasaki and not?
That was Nakatomi. That was not Nagasaki.
Nakatomi, please.
Die Hard is one classic movie. You have to watch it.
No.
Science is the nickname. Get ready. Clemenzo reaction.
Hey, shut
Oh,
up,
God.
Clemens, I
Don't
see.
show off,
How do you
don't show off.
remember that?
If you get rickets, what vitamin are you drinking?
Dude, what the heck? Okay.
What? The...
Sanchana, tell answer fast.
What? Vitamin B.
B.
I don't know. Sure.
Tell one fast. Just confirm.
Yeah. B. Pick B.
Did others know at least?
Yeah.
These
Yeah,
are-
I knew it.
What is rickets?
B is all very very.
Yeah.
Yeah,
exactly.
C is curvy or something.
Yeah, C
A
is
is
curvy.
some.
Night blindness.
Is
The
fine.
demon.
Blind,
Right,
blind.
Rickets is when you have that bow-shaped legs and brittle bones.
Cricket
Ah.
Oh
legs. Yeah.
god.
Little bones.
Oh,
Mhm.
Dude, since would be thinking I would have taken biology. No, what is this?
Okay,
Yeah.
till now everyone has gotten a negative.
I don't think anybody will win. Don't you think, Gaurav?
Hey, no, other questions are actually easy. It's not that tough.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
Preet.
Building name and all.
Okay.
Not
okay,
even like
fine.
like who acted. It's like the building name.
It is easy. Okay,
Actor
Deepak,
Okay.
you can answer
Which car?
either sports or religion.
Go for
Religion.
religion.
What do you
Let's
pick?
keep the score at 0.
Which
Go
one?
for religion. Religion.
Okay, cool.
Hajj.
Remembering the answers.
Yeah, Hajj was the previous
Yeah.
answer. This is not the draw battle.
Last round will be rapid fire. So it's-
Okay, 4
Four picks,
pitches,
one
1
word.
word. What do these 4 words relate to? 4 pitches, sir.
I have 2 options. So what is that? Colors.
No options.
Triangle or rhombus.
Heaven.
No. it's the wrong answer. It is Garden of Eden.
Hey, what?
Bro,
This is level 1.
This is
20
this.
seconds. left.
is this
Is
the
it
joke? Like
possible
you,
to quit?
No,
So
it
show
was,
it again.
I don't think I can show it again. So I will explain the
Oh.
pitches. One was
the
Adam's
Eden
apple.
Garden, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One was Adam's apple. One was Eden Garden. Answer was right there. Direct.
At least you should have put KKR, bro. KKR logo you put it up.
Yeah.
You need to study and come for this test.
This is a sports
Exactly.
round.
Do you think studies would help you?
Yeah, DPK, you picked religion, but you got sports round.
Everyone getting a negative. Damn sad. I thought
Russia
level 1
will
would be
break the
easy for
curse.
you guys.
Easily Russia will break the curse. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
So stressed out. Oh my god.
4. So either science or geography.
Geography, come on.
Science. Go for science, guys.
Go for science. Yeah.
Science. Okay.
Stress. Oh my god, stress.
We
Okay.
believe in our knowledge, our childhood.
One person should get science versus religion. That would be nice.
Finally, somebody is there.
Perfumes have a pleasant smell due to the presence of chemicals used in their synthesis. These are
Oh, the oh shit!
Oh.
I know the word. It's at the tip. Bio. Oh,
options are there. You can read.
oh the options are there. Esters. Esters. Esters.
Finally, one correct answer.
Yay!
Give a chemical
Nice.
form.
Oh God.
Nice.
Nice.
This guy actually picked organic chemistry and came up.
You get 10 points. First question
Nice.
right. Finally.
Like, keep picking religion. Dude. Just
Okay.
If there were
One-
no
I'm going for
options,
science.
One, you don't have an
Yeah.
option. You can't go on the black tie. So it is.
Dude,
Oh,
yeah, you should give
come on.
options every time, Preet. We discussed about this previously that we have
Sorry. My
we
game,
need
my rules.
MCQs.
No. My game, my rules. If it is too easy, I'm not giving options. Like, there's no point.
That's not
which
easy.
year?
Hajj is like on
some
common.
Garden of Eden and all is so difficult.
That was so easy.
Eden Garden.
No
yeah.
context also. Randomly religion, you just think.
Context with the
of
4
this.
pitches and religion. Okay, it's 2.
Okay,
so
continue.
yours is sports.
Which year did RCB win the title? That's the question.
Oh God.
Sure.
What's
Oh,
the-
oh God, for that also you're telling us. They
Too
never
tough.
won.
Yeah, that's why I said too tough. You wait. Wait, whose question is this? Mine, no?
Hey.
Obviously. Wow, what doubts. 20 seconds. The Indian men's hockey team beat which nation to win the bronze medal in the 2021 Olympics? Very recent.
Are you seeing the options?
Yeah.
Yes. 5 seconds.
Netherlands. I'm going with Netherlands.
Germany.
Oh,
shit.
Very recently.
I don't know which
Most of
team.
the sports is like recent questions, so I thought you guys would know.
German.
Meghna, since you got 2 answers wrong, your next turn will be skipped.
Oh God.
Thank God.
Thank God. As if this PNG is in some better situation. His turn is next.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either religion or
religion.
religion. Which direction you want to go?
Inevitable, huh?
Yeah.
Religion, bro. I want to pick.
Yeah, but
religion.
which side? Here or here?
Anywhere is fine. Oh,
That
as
is
if
quite
it
clever.
matters now.
Oh, dude.
Who said it's not forced?
Okay.
Macha, Eden Garden ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಲ್ಲ, please.
One more, please.
Mahabharata is said to be written by Lord Ganesha, but who dictated it? There are no options.
No options, sir.
No.
Huh?
No.
Mahabharata.
Yeah. Someone dictated it. He was a rishi.
Valmiki.
Hey, no. No, it's
Valmiki
Vedavasa.
Ramayana.
Yes, I think.
Oh, I was.
You were confused between the two. Huh? Both you could have told.
Yeah.
I'm so
That was
happy
fine.
now.
Oh, you can guess how many ever you want.
No. Matter.
Then?
Because you
You have to
already got
finalize
you were
amount.
doing it bad. No, so I would have. if-
Okay. Then
if only.
like, next time I'll tell Germany, Netherlands, and Belgium.
Nice.
Say
Not in
something
that
that's not
scenario.
even in the options also, just to be sure.
Just kidding.
Yeah, so your turn also will be skipped next.
Thank God.
Guys, what if everyone's turn is skipped? So it's like no.
I think Russia is
I'm
winning
already
this.
worried now.
Yeah,
It's been
Russia got
Russia
it right.
playing continuously.
Okay,
What
Sinchana's turn.
Yeah.
Sinchana, either religion or movies.
Vision has to be there.
Huh?
Region is compulsory. Yeah.
Somehow. Sinchana, what did you pick?
I said movies.
That's her topic. If she messes up, gone.
Minus 10 she'll get.
Eliminated.
Or she can get an extra turn. Come on.
If you get it right.
Oh.
Part 2. Which tower was there? That's
Match the bonds with the movies. Tomorrow Never Dies, No Time to Die, Diamonds Are Forever. These
She
are the
doesn't
3
know.
bonds. One guess would be like, which was the most recent movie?
That blue thing. PDS.
Oh, was that a guess? Was that a guess or did you actually know it?
No, I just knew that No Time to Die was Daniel Craig.
That was
Ah.
brilliant.
Nice.
That was
Wow.
Nice. Good effort. You get an extra turn also.
Oh,
Amazing.
yay.
Amazing.
What? Why did?
Why? Look at that question. She nicely answered that.
Too good, Sinchana.
Thank you.
Thank you.
10 points. Pragnya especially unmuted herself, told thank you and went on mute again. Is Gonde also on mute? Why are you guys on mute?
Because I'm reducing the IQ of the whole.
That is fine. That is fine.
As if anyone is getting anything right.
Average turns out to be somewhere close only.
Russia is being very modest here. She's got it.
Yeah,
correct.
no.
I got Esther's correct. That too because options were there. Okay.
Okay. DPK, either you're. Oh, sorry, you were pink. My bad. Oh yeah, this is the black tile, so you can't go there. And your only option is science. Science, right? Yeah, science.
Yes.
Esters, please.
You guys are clear now, right? If there are 2 dashes, it means there are no options.
Options, yeah.
Yeah. But if you, I mean, I don't know. Some of you were confused whether to see the options or say the answer. So.
How many chromosomes do humans
Oh,
have?
wow.
Options are there.
46.
Correct answer. Nice.
Congo.
Nice.
Congo.
Was that a guess or this you knew?
Of course it
23, that's all.
Nice one.
Correct. 23 pairs. Right.
Legend.
Good one. So DPK also gets 10. 3 people at least have some score.
Meghna, don't get it right, please.
Her turn is skipped. Your turn is also skipped, PNG.
That's what I'm doing.
So
In the
good.
future.
We won't lose hope.
Okay. Next was who? Russia.
Me,
Russia
huh?
is this right? 3. Yeah,
Yeah.
either what is this? Geography or
Geography.
1, 2, 3 or religion.
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 Let's go.
Oh no, I'm scared now.
Judaism or something. Please.
Oh, please do it. Please.
Okay, ready?
Rishi Vedas.
Which of the following goddesses is also associated with Lord Shiva's creative power?
Creative
Hey.
power.
Hmm.
Shakti.
Nice one.
What?
Nice.
She
Nice.
gets an extra turn
She
now.
also gets an extra turn, right?
Woohoo.
Oh, Rasya clearly in the lead.
Yeah.
With a turn to go.
Yep.
When can she cash in the extra turn? Now.
Yeah, now
Yeah, she's
itself.
using it now.
No, that you don't have a choice in that. It is then and there.
Oh.
Now science,
Okay.
huh? Now back
Three.
to science.
Science. Yeah, don't know other option.
Oh, it's me only again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, science fine.
Wait,
Why?
Since didn't get an extra
Yeah,
turn.
didn't get an
Yeah, I
extra.
thought. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I
It would
asked,
be
right? Or I
Sincha
didn't
then-
ask her.
No, you didn't ask her.
Oops, I forgot. Sorry, my bad. Rasya will come
Oh,
back to your
cancel.
extra turn.
Restart.
Yeah, that's what. Sinchana, then DPK, then me. Extra turns, right?
Yeah,
No,
even
no,
me.
no.
I'm getting.
Hey, DPK already answered, right?
Nobody has
Oh,
picked
he will answer
geography.
his extra turn.
Why will he answer an extra turn? He didn't choose science.
He got. No. He got.
His topic is
Okay.
geography. He has to answer
Rasya,
you have to
only
get
if your
your
topic is
subject.
there.
Oh, if you get. Oh, understood. Okay, if I get it correct with my subject,
No.
then I get
Nobody's picking
And she had
for.
doubts.
This Sinchana is so shy she didn't tell her turn got skipped. What is this?
No, I realized now.
Okay, anyway, okay, this is yours now.
Sinchana only now, yeah.
You were yellow, right?
Yeah.
So much confidence. 1, 2, 3, 4. So either it is your own topic, movies, or 1, 2, 3, 4, which is black, so you can't go there. So it is movies again. You have another chance for an extra turn.
Yeah.
But this won't be counted towards your unique answers.
Huh.
Okay. According to this song, what brand of perfume does Pappu wear? Do you know the song?
Yeah, but I don't know the lyrics.
Guess one thing fast.
Armani?
Huh?
Armani.
Armani was wrong. It's perfume Gucci wala. That is how it is.
Oh.
I didn't know it was Gucci. I thought
Yeah.
it was Gucci wala. I didn't know.
No,
What? It
I-
is not
I-
Gucci.
I-
It is Gucci.
I didn't reach that part only. I'm still in that.
Yeah, I was
Karnataka.
Everyone's
Sorry.
singing the song in their heads. Huh?
Yeah.
In the chorus, no. Isn't it in the chorus?
Yeah.
Oh, no,
It
it's
is not
right
in the
before.
chorus. It's in the before
No,
that
it's
it is.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
before. Last
Oh,
line. it
yeah.
is.
Simply I thought some perfume Gucci wala.
She gets one. She gets one more turn, no? Sinchana gets one more turn now.
Why? She
Yeah.
This
answered
is
it
the
wrong.
second turn.
I answered
From
it
the-
right.
It's now back to her.
This
turn
is
only.
her.
No, my second turn is remaining now.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
Rasya's turn now.
Oh.
5.
Bye.
Rasya is this blue. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either movies or religion.
Religion, guys.
Again, religion.
Fine, she'll get extra turns.
She's gonna capitalize. Yeah.
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
need unique topics, right? Religion already you answered right.
Yeah, you need to have a unique answer. Yeah. Correct.
Why?
That is the rule.
That's the
So
rule.
to get promoted, you need to answer one question right from at least 3 unique topics.
Oh, okay. What all have I answered now?
Pragnya can tell
I've
that.
answered
Science and religion.
Religion.
good, but I suck at movies.
You've
Okay, fine.
answered one from science and one from religion. So you can pick
Yeah.
a
Or
topic.
okay, I can. Okay, if I pick religion, then I'll
Huh.
get another turn, and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
I might topic that I might know. Right?
So confident.
You're
that she
so
could answer right.
confident.
If I get religion right.
Yeah, go,
Okay,
go.
go ahead. Yeah. Okay, religion.
Yes. Okay. Because I'm way
Go
less
on.
likely to get movies right.
Okay, let's go ahead.
If you're in doubt, Nagasaki is the answer.
Which is the birthplace of Jesus from these?
Oh,
Is it Palestine or Jerusalem? I'll go with Jerusalem.
Both were wrong.
mate.
Lol.
Bethlehem.
Jesus of
Bethlehem.
Nazareth, no?
Huh?
Oh,
Nazareth. Oh, Nazareth. No. Oh, all three options that were picked were all wrong. Yeah, so Rasya, I'm sad to do this. But
Bethlehem.
But he is called Jesus of Nazareth, no?
Oh wait, I lose.
you lose. You
He
lose
was
10
brought
points.
up there. He was born in Bethlehem
Yeah.
and then he was
Okay.
brought up at Nazareth.
Pragna, Meghna and PNG are skipped, right?
Yeah.
It's Sinchana.
Sinchana's done.
Okay.
8 minutes left.
No, Sinchana is not skipped. She answered one wrong, I think. Yeah. Last one was wrong.
Oh my god, I know the song. Long time ago in Bethlehem. So the holy Bible.
But she answered her subject wrong, right? Sinchana.
No. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She answered movies wrong.
Did she answer her subject wrong? What was the last question that you
No,
answered?
Rasya.
Rasya answered her own subject wrong.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
Sinchana.
I knew the answer. Dude. I knew a song related to the answer.
What is the movie called? Oh, Gucci, no? Yeah, correct.
Perfume
Okay, now
that.
it's Sinchana's turn.
Yeah, Sinchana's done. She got a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Does she
Again, religion.
does she get minus 10?
3, 4, 5. Or religion. Yeah, she got. Rasya got minus 10.
No, Sinchana?
Why?
Yeah, she got. No?
Oh yeah,
She
Sinchana.
got one wrong.
Yeah, but from which topic?
Movies.
Movies was her topic. And
Movies was her topic. No.
Oh, okay. She got movies wrong. Okay. Thank you for
do you
reminding
lose a
me.
turn if you get your
Welcome to the club, Sinchana.
Okay, if you get a question wrong in
This is a
some other
better
topic,
club.
you don't get minus 10.
No,
Oh, I didn't know. I should have gone for movies. Oh,
I don't.
Yeah, everyone was telling you.
sorry.
Okay, it's religion. Sinchan, are you ready?
Hmm.
How many sects does Jainism have?
Ooh.
Oh, there's no choice also. Oh, I have no clue.
Jainism.
Can I
it's
get
simple.
hint?
Just guess a number.
2.
Below 5. Huh?
2, I said 2.
Wow, that is correct.
That's
Actually
correct.
Yeah, exactly.
What?
Digambara and
Correct.
Digambara.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Digambara and
Nice,
Shvetambara.
nice. Yes. Very good.
Luck.
Very good.
Luck.
What an
Why-
amazing.
Why does Russia know so much, dude? I'm getting
I
worried
don't
here.
know.
He has chosen religion, and
Yeah.
these are easy questions in religion.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, next is
Why did I? Oh, nothing.
DPK.
DPK. Can't wait for this guy to choose geography.
1, so you don't have any other choice.
Sports.
topic is sports.
Eden Garden. KKR, macha. Get ready.
Diamond, curveball, and bunt are the terms associated with which game?
baseball.
That's the right answer. Nice.
Appa.
Oh, go Dip.
I made some wrong quiz, dude.
Why you didn't know this also?
I mean, I
Your
knew
topic
this.
is sports.
I know this one.
Okay, next Rasya.
Oh, my turn now. Where am I? I'm blue.
Here. Either
Okay, wow.
geography or movies.
Oh no. Guys, pick for me. I don't know.
Hey, fast.
Movies.
I'll pick up.
Movies.
I'm picking
Movies, fine.
geography. Yeah. Oh, movies. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I picked geography because it hasn't started yet only.
I'm so stressed.
Yeah,
out.
actually, we'll know how the questions are.
Going for geography, yeah?
Yeah,
Chota
geography.
Nagpur title.
Dude, I don't know geography and all. I don't know where my house only is in Bangalore.
Nice. That won't be the question, I think.
Your house is not in Bangalore. You're in Whitefield.
There, that only I got wrong. Okay.
It's so important. Like,
Oh,
how is
God.
it-
What do you call the place at which two streams flow together to form one large stream?
Mouth, estuary, conglomerate, confluence. Hey, what is this?
Just
What
think
is
of the
this?
English meanings of these things.
Mouth is a conglomerate.
Two streams meet. Tell fast.
Conglomerate.
Is it mouth? Oh.
What the
Two
hell?
answers.
There are
It's a
two
multiple
answers.
answers.
What is the English here? What are you trying to do?
You are the guys who prepared for GRE. You guys tell me.
No.
This is
Mouth.
not there.
How is this mouth? This is not. No.
It is not
refuse
mouth. It
this.
is not mouth. Sorry, answer is not
Confluence.
mouth. It is confluence.
Answer
I
is
think two things have gotten
Oh, it's
ticked by
confluence.
mistake. It is confluence.
Okay, it's confluence.
Now it
Mouth
makes
was
sense.
answer.
Fine. I didn't see that mouth was ticked.
Oh, like Confluence Wiki, because all the wikis come
Ah.
together.
No,
You-
no, no.
Yeah, correct. Correct.
You should not
Exactly.
after seeing the answer, making the correction. Put her to geography, dude.
Hello?
Oh yeah. You are blue, right? Yeah. So this is the one.
Russia's next turn will be skipped.
Why she answered two
Finally.
wrong? Oh, correct. She answered two wrong. Nice. Guys, I
Okay.
was- okay. Whose turn was it? It was Meghna's, right?
Yeah.
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 I'm full geared up to hit a hat trick now.
Please do it. I
Okay,
know I
someone-
can't
Start.
imagine you answer the pressure that will be on.
Yeah, you're here. Either geography or movies.
Oh, screen
Hey,
share.
share your screen, bye. Yeah.
Oh damn! Sorry.
Okay, so I'll clear Meghna's and PNG's -2.
That-
Yeah,
Hmm.
Just remove it totally. Erase it.
Okay, where am I?
you're here. Either
Two.
geography.
Oh no, that's me.
I'm red.
No, she's red.
I picked religion. No, the last Valmiki question.
You are green.
No. My last wrong answer is Valmiki. My first wrong answer is Nishikori.
Nagasaki.
Hey, hey, you're there now. Okay, over.
All of you
That's
remember
not me. I am red.
No. Now
all
that
of
it has
you
changed.
remember the colors.
Yeah, remember the colors, please. Please tell me if I forget. Yeah, now Meghna, choose fast. Geography
What?
or movies?
Movies, come on.
I don't know.
Geography.
See, geography is
not
what full world you'll ask, like some city names and all you'll ask.
No, now you'll
You
ask
asked
what,
me to-
You
what
want me to
happens
ask, you'll
if
get to
you
know
were.
fast.
You'll ask what
What
is
happens?
confluence?
Yeah.
What? I don't
Yeah,
know.
I'm going with geography. Like, too much.
You
Okay,
won't
confusion.
tell the question first. Yeah.
She's taking too
Why
much
are you
long. Yeah, geography. That's it.
Let me go with movies. I at least know half. No, movies.
No, you're too late.
See, like this one, you
Movies.
should just directly choose out.
So on geography.
No, this is movies.
DPK will help.
We want her to get one question right at least.
Yeah,
I
don't be-
won't.
Now, class Allah, mass.
Oh,
Is a dialogue
Kannada
from
movie.
which Kannada movie? This is also one famous dialogue. One famous.
How will I know?
You don't know. You don't watch Yash movies. Huh?
Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari.
It turned out to be
Oh
correct.
my god.
That's a clue. You told which actor. That's a clue. Clearly, that's a clue.
Nice.
I had that. She hadn't watched the.
yeah,
She
okay,
didn't watch
go.
Kannada movies and all.
Sinchira's question, huh, this was.
Yeah, exactly.
Question.
Okay,
Class and
finally,
Abdul Mar.
But yeah, that was the only movie I knew, so I would have guessed that.
Inauguration.
Anyway. But still, it's okay.
inauguration.
Nice one.
Let's go.
nice.
Let's go.
Yay, guys.
Good
Yeah,
job.
thank
Good job.
Movies
job,
you picked,
Meghna.
right?
Come on, PNG.
PNG, come on. 5.
5. Where?
Pressure.
You're here.
Ah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either movies or
Or
sports.
movies.
Or sports. Come on, pick sports.
Come on, let's go. to sports.
I hope you don't get minus 10. I'll be sad.
That 2 was Meghna's wrong answer, dude. That Belgium.
What?
That's fine.
Belgium? What
Yeah,
is it?
Germany. Netherlands, Germany
Ah.
thing.
Okay. Your question
It's
Who
late.
became
Come
the
on.
first Indian fencer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics?
Bro, what?
This is recent again.
Yeah,
Which
yeah,
of
yeah.
these names have you heard?
None of them. I don't.
This became one major news because for the first time, one fencer qualified from India.
Okay, let's go with option D. I don't think it's good.
It is not. It is Bhavani.
Yeah,
Devi.
it was this is the first time, yeah, we went to fencing,
Yeah.
like at least Indian.
She was the
Yeah.
first person.
This question is supposed to help me. Huh?
I thought you watch like current affairs and all. You will know, right?
So now he'll go to negative, no? Because
Yeah.
it's his own forte.
I owe money in the end.
Can we just keep the lower bound as 0?
Okay, fine. So Rahim karte
Yeah.
ho.
Feeling bad.
Should have gone to movies.
I thought you would get this right and get one more question. Okay, next is Sinchana. Sinchana is yellow. Yeah, so it is geography or movies. Sorry, sports. Is Sinchana there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, she's there.
Geography.
Oh. What is the name of the tallest mountain in India?
Kanchenjunga.
Lock किया जाए. Wow, she's getting questions right. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Um,
Nice.
Hey, how many unique topics has she finished?
Got 3 unique answers right.
Ooh.
3 done.
Yeah.
What were the
Yeah.
topics?
She got it in movies, geography, and religion, 1 each.
Oh, if you land on these black ones, you can go up.
You can advance to the
You
next
can
level.
get promoted to the next level.
Oh,
I-
only if you land on black ones. That also is there, no?
Yeah, but either that or she can answer
my
totally
God.
6 questions right.
Total 6 questions.
That's
So this is
what
a
happened.
one-day game.
This is not a one-day game. Shut up.
One day
Yeah,
game
this
becomes
will never get over.
It
Will
will,
never
don't
end.
worry. Your requirements are
Skip.
lesser. Okay, 4. DBK.
Wait,
DBK's
mine
color is
was
pink.
20 or 30. Like, what have I gotten right? Chromosomes, curveball, and
Two right, 2 unique answers right. 2 unique questions.
Is his turn skipped or not?
No,
Does he
it's
have any
not.
negatives?
No, he doesn't.
Oh,
No,
nice.
outstanding.
Ooh.
4. So either science or religion.
science, please.
Nice, nice. Nice debate.
Points.
Atheist.
Yeah.
Skins.
Science is not a unique topic for you.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, correct.
You don't want to lose points.
Thigh is femur. Upper arm is to what?
Eh,
I don't.
Scapula.
It's a funny answer.
Hey, don't give clues, Dad. That's not fair.
I don't know.
Answer
What
is
is the answer?
humerus.
Humorous.
What did
Answer
you
is
answer?
humerus. Capula.
Tapiola.
Answer is humerus. I thought like these are like few bones that we usually know, funny bone and all.
This guy has
Just
two
talk
negative.
about cerebrum or something. No, that is easier. Cerebellum. That I
Preet,
can
you should,
never-
yeah, Preet, you should add like one category for audience being able to answer. Audience means other contestants being able to answer.
Already you guys are telling this game will take 1 day. One more topic you want me to add? Not happening. Takes too long. 3.
Mhm.
Okay, your
My turn now.
yeah.
You,
Either
DPK
science.
is negative. Huh?
No, why negative?
I mean,
What is-
-1, yeah.
It was not his forte.
he guessed 2 wrong. No. But
No, he didn't. This was his first round.
what is it? Science or what?
Science or sports.
Hey, Russia's turn needs to be skipped.
Oh, skip.
Why?
Oh, correct. You got 2 wrong.
Also, DPK
I
first
got one
round was
wrong.
wrong. No.
No, your sport,
Yeah, the
your
last time-
own religion also was
Yeah.
wrong in this also.
Now
When
I'll be
did I-
clearing it, okay?
Wait,
Yeah.
what did I get wrong?
Your religion question was wrong and last turn also was wrong. Last I forgot
What
what
was
was
the
it.
last
Confluence and Bethlehem.
Confluence. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
correct.
Something. Okay.
Now I'm clearing your negatives.
Thank you.
Our
This
record
negative
keeper
is
big also.
consecutive.
Yeah, consecutive.
Is it consecutive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Meghna's turn. 3.
Okay.
You're here.
Oh, it's
Red.
consecutive. huh?
Yeah. So black tile not possible. So you're going
Science.
geography.
No, science. Come here. Oh, that's black tie.
Why? Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Ah.
Need help? Huh?
Okay. Go.
Identify the location.
Gone.
Easy. This is. Come on.
Dude. Oh God. No, this.
It's not in India. Okay, please.
You should have given options, dude. I don't know.
This is an easy location.
I have no
What
idea.
is this?
I don't-
Like, you see this cliff directly.
Sea of Red Sea. No, I don't know.
Red Sea. You're seeing the stones and you're just telling Red Sea. Because you see a red color and one sea over there.
Eden Garden Part 2.
Grand Canyon.
Yeah, Grand Canyon. Nice.
Yeah, correct.
Wham! Canyon.
Don't come to me, bro. Okay.
So,
Does PNG have any negatives?
I have one from
Has
previous.
one negative, but he has a chance now.
Come on, PNG.
Negative.
Religion or
Religion or science?
one is science.
Science.
Yeah.
I don't think it's working out for me, dude.
Which one? Tell fast.
Let's go with science for now. Why did you?
My atomic number is evil if it is a Friday, but I can be recycled the right way. What am I? It's an element.
What?
My atomic number is evil if it is a Friday.
13. What is 13? Helium. No.
What? Helium.
Can I answer?
Yeah, you can.
It's
answer.
aluminium.
Right.
Aluminium.
Right.
Why did
okay.
you say it in your mind? 13th element. You forgot the order.
Yeah.
No
What
problem.
is 12?
Magnesium?
Magnesium.
Sodium. No.
Sodium
How
is
do you
11.
guys know this?
Magnesium is 12.
Good.
Clearly not working out, guys. Time to drop out.
Yeah, again 2 negatives. No.
What the hell?
Damn
Changes
sad.
bad.
Okay, next is Sanchana. 4. Sanchana is 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can promote yourself,
Okay,
or you can answer religion question
No,
and
that's
collect more
fine.
points.
it's okay.
It's okay, miss. Which one? Which side do you want to go?
I'll promote myself.
Okay.
Congratulations.
You said only if she
Thank
goes
you.
to black. Oh, she went to black now.
She went to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she has to
Great.
answer this question now. 3. Oh, that
Oh,
is
that's-
her.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, in level 2, you need to get 2 unique topics right. Minimum requirement.
Okay.
Maximum is 4.
And again, if you answer your question wrong, again you'll get negative.
Yeah.
points, no?
That continues. Your question wrong is again minus 20
You poor.
Oh God.
because plus 20 you get here. Do you want me to keep it minus 10 only?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine-
Don't keep negatives
Okay.
at all.
No,
Nice.
that
Oh,
at all is
why
not
is it
happening. You're
No
getting one
negative
bonus. You're
Then
getting
keep
one bonus also. Okay, I'm
No
starting.
negative mark.
Movies level 2. Finally level 2.
Level 2 means harder.
Dude, already first level was so hard.
Yeah.
It's like if you have watched the movie, it is easy for you. So yeah, I don't know. Little you might have to think. Level 2, I have thought little extra.
What's the time? Same, 20 seconds. Huh?
No, 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
There's no point in me asking, but it's okay.
No, you can take your time to get the wrong answer. That is also fine.
I should reach 17. That's it.
Oh yeah.
NANI